Hi, Vanessa here. It's time for unboxing the Hopebox. So this is November's Hopebox. Let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, so I have a list of the items that are included in this box. Okay, so we have this cute pumpkin pie slice, crocheted. Okay, so we have another candle. Be kind, thoughtful, and genuine, but most of all, be thankful. We have a bag of cashew macadamia nuts, tangerine vanilla. I'm going to open this one last because I think I'll have to move all this stuff. Okay, we have another facial mask. How cute is that? I love the little leaves. It's another beautiful hand-painted hope stone. Hopeful and thankful. Beautiful fall design. These are made from the students over at Clear Creek Elementary School. And this one is made by Alex. Thank you, Alex. Okay, so here is a little book. With lots of encouraging quotes. Okay, we have another encouragement card. Give thanks. Cute turkey. Be thankful in everything. So, a notebook, a journal. I love mustard color. This is beautiful. It's an infinity scarf. Okay, it's really wide and I've doubled it up so that you can see it better. Okay, I wrapped it around twice. Just gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you